Hello friends, today's our topic will be the trifill. By the command using the trifill, we will fill the cells in the topographical DTM, or we can say the wireframe, which we have already prepared, all body wireframe and west body wireframe, and we have one more wireframe of topographical wireframe. So in these all three wireframe we will fill the particular dimensions of cells which we have already decided during the creating of protom. So by the using of protom we will fill the cells in hollow wireframe of OR body and west body and topo tr. First we will type trifill in command box. The window will open like this. In protom we will select protom, in wire tr we will select topo tr, in wire pt we will select topo pt. In output file we will give the name of topo model. Then we will go to the parameter. Here zone will be the zone, and in parameter we will select the 3. Actually for topo pt we will fill the cell below the topo tr. Below the topo tr, for filling the cell below the topo tr, the model type will be the 3. In command we can select 0 for topo model. Then okay, the process will be start. The process is running. We can see this running process in command bar. Here we can see the process is running. The topo model is creating. After complete the process, here we will get a message that topo model is completed. After completing topo mode, we will create OR body model and west body model. First we will create a OR body model. We will take the command trifill. Here we can see the window will open like this. In protom we will select protom. In wire tr we will select our OR body wireframe. In wire TP we will select OR body TP. In output model we will give the model name for the OR body model. In zone we can leave blank this field, or we can type zone here. In parameter, in model type we will select 1. Actually in OR body and west body is our hollow body, so the cell will be the fill inside the body. For the inside filling, the model type will be the 1. In zone we can give a number 1 for OR body and 2 for west body. 0 was be the for our topo model. After click OK, the process will be start for creating a OR body model. Now the same process will be repeat for the west body model. We will take the command trifill, then OK. In protom we will select our protom. In wire tr we will select our west body wireframe. In wire pt we will select our west body pt. Then give a name for output model, which we can give as our choice. For west body we can give a model name west underscore model. Then we will go to parameter. Here we will type 1 in model type. For filling the cell inside the body, we will take the model type 1. In zone we will type 2 for west body model. And now we will give the output name of the model in output as our choice. So now we have our 3 model, topo model, OR model and west model. with filling with the cells. Actually here the grade is not interpolated, so in next step we will interpolate the grade in two models, waste model and ore model. How to create a protom we have already learned in our previous classes, so please go and check the previous class.